We decided we were going to cleanse the house a little bit. Do we do basic smudging?
Smudging is where you take sage and you billow the smoke throughout the house. Not only is the smudging a cleansing of the house, but it's also a cleansing of your spirit. You let the smoke billow throughout the house, and at the same time requested that whatever dark spirit that you need in your house.
Let go.
Leave now. I was watching and I went from room to room with them, and I started more or less loudly, this is my house. You need to leave. You need to get out. I'm not going to let you keep the other house. You are the one that asked me.
You're all upstairs. And the last thing I remember is breathing really weird. It was just like, oh, you hit the switch. And she was so much different.
And she looked up that thing and she goes, I don't know, I just feel angry.
That's when she got scared of her. So I know someone falling black eyes, and she was just about to staring at me. That's when I realized she wasn't playing and just messing around.
You felt like imbuing that smoke onto her might cleanse that spirit from her.
As we started approaching Kathy with the smudging and that sage smoke, she changed. Her face changed. Her demeanor changed. She started to grit her teeth and growl at her mother. And the closer we got, trying to smudge her with the sage smoke, the more violent she got. She started kicking, she started clawing. And little boy, she said, you get out, my house.
I walked in. She's no one shows any real appreciation. He's gonna love these treats from my little kitchen. They look homemade. Well, you're very welcome. See what I mean?
The best treats come from the kitchen.
See what I mean? Dámelo. Dámelo. Okay, I'm gonna whoop your ass if you fucking tear up her ice water.
No, I'm going to tear up Leah's ass because it is playing with her.
What? Not like you paid much. You probably only paid like 50 cents.
No, I paid more than 50 cents a day.
Someday, I'll create a technology that compares hundreds of travel sites at once.
Paid $1 for 4 of them.
Will never continue.
So you only paid a quarter.
We're now offering large 3-topping pizzas for $7.99 each Monday through Wednesday carryout. $7.99.
Baby!
I'm not crazy.
Baby!
Twice what we're charging.
I love you.
This is a great way to give customers value. We've been around the country asking women to speak frankly about something no one wants to talk about.
It's time to get real about what happens in the bathroom. Stop all this campy stuff. And start talking about what you really want from your toilet paper. It's time to talk about cleaning. Really cleaning is so important.
Quilted Northern Soft and Strong is stronger than the leading Ripple brand to help protect against breakthrough.
For myself, for my family, it keeps us clean. I use Quilted Northern.
Quilted Northern Soft and Strong. Protection for a confident clean or your money back.
Losing weight good for me when I lost weight in all the right places. You know what I mean? When I tried to lose weight other ways, I felt hungry all the time. On Weight Watchers Online, I eat all day long. I love grabbing those activity points and throwing them into my tracker, and it adds it up for you at the end of the week so that you can earn more points for food. I never thought that way before. I lost 38 pounds with Weight Watchers Online. I really did it. Join now for $1. Offer ends August 4th. Weight Watchers Online. Losing weight quick.
Chofie powder says dangerous working conditions lead to nasty cancer or other needless tragedies. Go alone, call the Cold Water Line right now.
Such a great solo, guys. You saved me a bundle of my car insurance. You saved money on car insurance? Just go to goinsurance.com.
Get a quote, compare rates, do it online, over the phone, or stop by any go-out location. And start saying, it's fast.
Think so, Fred.
Actually, it's still fun. It might be a long day. I gotta say, I'm so scared. My Cat from Hell. New episode, Saturday at 8.
Keep it, baby! Keep it!
As we started approaching Kathy with our fish truck, her face changed. Her demeanor changed.
Something had to be possessing her or taking control of her. She got possessed by whatever was